Have you ever disappointed your parents so badly you thought you'd never regain their trust? I'm here to tell you it's possible, and I'll show you how. But first, if you want more tips on improving family relationships, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell.
You okay, man? You seem distracted lately.
Just thinking about my parents. I really messed up, and now I don't know how to fix it.
Sounds familiar? Stick around. We're about to unpack Alex's story and learn some valuable lessons.
Hey, need a hand with those?
Oh, thank you. I was about to topple over.
No problem. First year can be tough, but you've got this.
See that? Even when we're struggling, small acts of kindness can make a big difference. Now, let's see how Alex got here.
Hey, Mom, Dad, listen up. I'm not coming home for the summer, okay? I'm staying here to work on my music. College is like a total waste of time anyway. Should I call them? What would I even say? Maybe it's too late.
Tip number 1, folks. Acknowledge your mistake. The first step to rebuilding trust is admitting you were wrong.
Dude, we're out of money. We need to find a new place by the end of the week.
What? But howdy.
Well, turns out when you stop paying rent, they kind of want you out. Crazy, right?
What have I done?
You're late again.
Sorry, I overslept. It won't happen again.
Hey, it's okay, I covered for you. Here, I saved you a muffin.
Tip number 2, seek support. Having someone to confide in can provide valuable perspective and emotional support.
Well, I guess it's ramen again. Yay, independence. How did this happen? I followed the instructions, I think. Okay, I can do this. Ramen, peanut butter, and maybe 1 apple? Living the dream, Alex. Living the dream.
Tip number 3, show personal growth. Demonstrating that you're learning from your mistakes can help rebuild trust, even if that growth involves a few culinary disasters.
You've seemed really down lately. Want to talk about it?
I messed up pretty bad with my parents. I said some awful things, and now I don't know how to fix it.
Have you tried talking to them?
I wouldn't even know where to start. You know, I've been so focused on proving I don't need my parents that I forgot how much I actually do need them. Not just for money, but for support and guidance.
That's a good start, Alex. Maybe that's what you need to tell them.
Yeah, maybe you're right.
Tip number 4, reflect on your relationships. Understanding the value of family can motivate you to make amends. Sometimes it takes losing something to realize how much it meant to you.
Mr. Thompson, your grades are slipping. Is everything all right?
I'm fine, Professor, just adjusting.
If you need any help, my office hours are always open.
Tip number 5, take responsibility for your actions. Avoid blaming others or making excuses.
Yeah, my mom's sending me a care package.
Can't wait to go home this weekend.
Hello?
Alex, it's me. We miss you.
I miss you too. How's everyone?
Mom and Dad are worried sick, Alex. They barely sleep. Dad's been working extra shifts to cover your tuition.
I didn't know. I'm so sorry.
We just want you to come home, Alex.
Tip number 6, understand the impact of your actions. Recognizing how you've hurt others is crucial for genuine apology and change.
Day 1 of fixing my mistakes. I hurt the people I love most. I need to make this right. It's time to face the consequences and make amends.
Tip number 7, self-reflection is key. Take time to understand your actions and motivations.
It's time to go home. You can do this, Alex. It's now or never. Mom, Dad, I'm so sorry. I know I hurt you, and I want to make things right.
Come in, Alex. We've missed you.
I messed up. I said terrible things, and I've been so selfish. I thought I knew everything, but turns out I can't even do laundry without turning everything pink.
Your mother always said you looked good in pink.
I've learned so much these past few months about responsibility, about the value of family, about how much I need you both. I've been writing down everything I've learned, every mistake, every lesson. I want to show you that I'm committed to changing, to being better.
Oh, honey, we love you. We've been so worried.
We're proud that you came back, son. That takes courage.
I want to make things right. I'll get a job, pay you back for the tuition, I'll work harder in school. I promise I'll make you proud.
You already have by taking this first step.
Remember, it's never too late to make things right. Every relationship has its ups and downs, but with honesty, effort, and love, we can overcome any obstacle. If you found Alex's journey helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on improving relationships and personal growth. And hey, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thanks for watching.